Yagni benta jongga kubor la wanraj phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Jylla Meghalaya Kayai Pershang man Pyrkhing bhai ke rukam mi jeng ki Briew baki entry but exit point ki badan haba jeng doba rata chera but bernihat ke kerpat ru e ki Briew bakinam wan chega Jylla laid no tang ki khap ki badan kam e Halo ka new menteri rang ba banrap ka Sorkar Jylla ba Preston Tensong wang ba ka Jylla hi yamenta kala hamla mante lakam ha ka ban yele e ka jingpang COVID-19 bar ka jingdan jeng ki Briew ki badang don hapdeng ka jingsumar ki don satang laingon
Entry and exit points, especially Bajenduba, Bernihat, and then Ratashara, because these were the entry points where maximum entry takes place and also maximum exit takes place. See, what happened is, the government of Meghalaya has decided that interstate movement is still not allowed till further order. But we see so many entry activities taking place, in these respective entry points and exit points too. Then we discussed how to again further strengthen the functioning of these points, because we wanted to restrict as much as possible, especially those people who just come in from other parts of India, since the interstate movement is still not allowed, restriction is still in place. So today we decided, and we have already asked Chief Secretary to again further strengthen these entry points and exit points, because unnecessary issues of coming in maybe by my relative from outside the state or friends from outside the state is totally stopped or avoided. Why we saying that? Because see, now what happened is, and I think you all know, Meghalaya state is the only state in India which, I should say, though we don't say free COVID state, but right now we do have only 3 active cases and about 96-97% of recovery rate, where you have already seen it as per the statement given by the Honorable Health Minister. So people they tend to take shelter from other states. They tend to take shelters from other states to Meghalaya. In fact, that we are not against it. It is not that we are against coming in, going out of the citizens of India. But at this juncture, the message is very clear from the government side. Since the interstate movement is not allowed, we would appeal, we would request all the concerns to kindly avoid and stop coming in to our state. You may come in the form of tourist, you may come in the form of visiting the relative or friends. So that's why today we have taken the decision. Once again, we request all the concerns to kindly refrain coming into our state till the situation is improved. Because all of you, I think you know, the spike has taken place in a neighboring state like Assam, and it keeps increasing day by day.